Today's question was, why do you clap 3 times instead of 1? A friend of mine was over and I was shooting a video and I went, and he's like, you know, what's up with that? Why isn't 1 enough to sync up audio? And this kind of goes back to when I was shooting airsoft videos. My first YouTube channel was an airsoft channel. And it was really hard to find like a single clap because there's airsoft guns going off all the time. Single ones, multiple. It was really hard to like find a place to sync up your videos. So I started clapping 3 times, like about that speed. Now airsoft gun video, if they shot, it would be like fast. So then I could look at my waveform and I could see 3 distinct spikes sticking up. And they're farther apart than all the ones that are closer. It was just so much easier to find where the point was to sync up. And then I noticed sometimes the spikes would be wider at the top, they would be a little fatter, and sometimes they'd be like really pointy. And I would just choose whichever one of the 3 had the narrowest spike on it, and I would sync to that one. And that worked really well. And when I went back to shooting films and stuff, if I wasn't using a clapper, I would clap 3 times. And it just stands out in the waveform so much more. And I just think that's a better way to do it. It really gives you like a little break other than a single spike. You'll definitely see that triad of spikes sticking up there, and it'll make finding your point much easier. Now, I'm not even syncing up with this show. The whole idea with this show is to be as quick to produce as possible. So I'm going right into the camera, but I still clap 3 times. Actually, this is gonna be really hard to edit because the thing that usually clues me into, oh, I made a mistake, clap 3 times. I know that there's a transition from one thing that I'm saying to a next, or I've just messed up. And like usually I'll start like 3 or 4 times just screwing up because that's what I do. And then when I see the end of those 3 claps and there's not another one following it, now I know I'm on the good section. So I don't have to search around in my recording because I don't start and stop each time, just interrupts my flow. So that's it. I clap 3 times because it's really handy in order to help find those points in your edit. It helps on syncing up 2-system sound, and it helps just mentally in the edit finding your way. That's it. That's all I got today. I love you all, and I will see you in the comments. Oh, one more thing. The reason that today's video is so short is I'm going drifting for the first time tomorrow. And I have been working on my car all week, trying to get it up and running. And I got the racing seat in, I just finished the harness bar. I need to like clear out a bunch more stuff, rip out a little bit more carpet. I think it's going to be fun. So I might make a video about that. I'm not sure. All right, that's all I got. Love you all, and I will see you in the comments. Bye.